I just like a touch of tomatoes in my sandwiches. Ooh, that's too thick. Be okay. Real thin. Shredded. Wish I had a shredder. Got a half a cup of mayonnaise. Quarter cup of that sweet Thai chili sauce. I got that honey syrup. Say quarter teaspoon, so we gon' that's about right. So I got about a pound of shrimp from Costco. I'm gonna put a little bit of that honey sriracha on there too. Give it that little kick. Bang, bang! You know what? Try a little bit of this accent. It's probably a flavor enhancer. And just a touch of seasoning salt. About a half a cup of cornstarch. And 2 eggs. Starting off, I'm gonna use man, I gotta use my hand. I'm back with another mukbang. Man, it's been a crazy night. Some of y'all might be in bed. I said I won't see you tomorrow. It's late. I apologize. My computer was uploading slow last night. I don't know what it's gonna do tonight. Stuff just falls through sometimes. I'm sorry. I had a whole different meal plan, but I wanted to go do this and run errands and go over here and come back. By the time I got to the house, it was dark. Then I tried to fix it, but it burned. I had to call the fire department. They came in here. 3 dogs came here and rescued 2 babies. Nah, it didn't get that far, but something burned. I ain't cooking no more for a couple of days, so you know I got to get that out of my system. Yeah, some onion rings burnt. New subscriber. She said she wanted an onion recipe. I said, I do you one better. I'm gonna go ahead and fix it tonight. Cause I was thinking about doing that anyway. Stuff happened, man, you know. When we got a little dark, you know, started smoking. I'm just being honest with y'all, you know. That's why it's this late. I don't mean to give y'all excuses, but had to substitute that with the fries. I'm gonna do a whole different sandwich, but look at that sandwich though. That's called the Shrimp Georgia Boy. I ain't biting nobody in New Orleans. I ain't biting nobody in Louisiana, but look at that. This Georgia. This how we do. I made some bang bang sauce with it. I made some, I ain't make nothing there. It's some fresh bread. Fresh, I wanna call it French bread. I don't know if French is ciabatta, but we gonna go with it. I got a knife just in case I can't feed it in my mouth. These French fries took the place of the onion ring. You know, I do better. I'm growing with this. I'm growing. I'm like a newborn baby. And I need to be spanked after tonight, so let's go ahead and say grace. Bless this delicious sandwich. See if I can fit it in my mouth. It's something like a challenge because it's kind of big and thick. Got them jumbo shrimp on there. But we gonna see how it tastes. Come get you some. I just felt like a Gatorade today. Said I was trying to get healthy. So that's the Gatorade, 0 caffeine, 0 sugar. Can you see that? It's pretty good. They flying off the shelves. They had them on sale at the grocery store. That was the last orange left, but they keep them old frosted ones, the ones that's like white and gray. There was a bunch of them, but I grabbed a couple. And I got some ketchup for the French fries. I put ketchup on my cutting board. It's just alright. Let me kind of smash this in. Oh, I'm finna do work with this. What y'all doubt me? I said, man, he ain't gonna fit that whole sandwich in his mouth. He ain't gonna fit that whole sandwich in his mouth. Man, I ain't gonna fit this whole sandwich in my... What? Here we go. I'll show y'all that. I take the first bite. Look at that. I just bit off somebody. Somebody else say that. The first bite. My bad. I'm gonna have to cut this. We'll see. Bub over here chilling. I hope y'all day was better than mine. Yeah, we're still breathing, still alive. I'm still in front of y'all. Just took me a little time. I'm gonna say I burn them onion rings though. I heard from y'all a lot today. Shrimp. Look y'all, man. Y'all make every day better. I think with that bang bang sauce on it. Yeah, this is gonna be something like a challenge. Put it on there so I can eat it with that tomato and that lettuce. I roll the bread with some butter. I don't think I needed the fries. What y'all eat for dinner tonight? I ate for dinner. Y'all probably eating cereal right now. I'm sorry. I promise I'm gonna do better. I'm probably eating Cat in the Country, Lucky Charm right now. It's so late. Oh yeah, man. I'm gonna do better. I promise. I don't know why we need fried. It's that shrimp Georgia boy. I gotta be working in the morning. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Snapchat growing. Instagram getting a few more followers on now. Everything's great. What time y'all usually go to work? Cause I know that's what you're doing right now. It's so late. I wouldn't have stayed up for me either. I'm sorry. But tomorrow, start early. Start early. We might eat when the sun coming through the window tomorrow. The whole two though. I'm just saying. We might. Oh man. Let me tell y'all something. I seen somebody else do that spicy noodle challenge. And while they was doing it, they just drinking, eating, drinking, eating, drinking. I'm like, hey man. Oh, Stephen. You cheating. You ain't supposed to drink no water. What's over there? You better wait 3 minutes after that. And if you think I'm hating, you're right. What's going on? Who was it? He said, oh, this ain't the no water challenge. This the one where you could drink something. I said, how come ain't nobody tell me about that one? Kids, I mean, you gotta wait 3 minutes before you drink something. Actually drink some noodles. This dude, every time he, some bull. My lips ain't been right since. When you can drink water. That's good. Just pay attention. Pay attention to the shrimp sandwich. Pay attention to that Georgia boy. Just pay attention to that. Look at the shrimp on there. Hey y'all, I got a few new subscribers today too. You saw it. I was gonna bring it up first though. Somebody put the Q&A questions on in the comment. She said she ain't got no Instagram or Facebook. I said, Lord. I ain't never met nobody. Hey, yeah. My daddy got Facebook. Man, you interesting. I want to talk to you face to face. That's why she put it in the comments yesterday's video. But email it to me. Or DM me on Instagram. If you still want me to answer questions, it's all good. I'm just doing what y'all wanted me to do. Something just fell. I got 200 and something more to go, man. You better kick that first dough in. Let's get it. Cause we on the road to 1,000. I might go get something tomorrow. I'm traumatized. You call me, ask me for advice. Hey, look, y'all. I don't know. I'm just me. I can't be nobody else. I ain't got 50,000 subscribers, nothing like that. I got 700 or something. But I'm gonna give you what I can give you. You take it from there. I really wasn't thinking the sandwich this big. It's bigger than a doggone cheeseburger. It's good though. I miss my Coke Zero. I can't mess with this Gatorade. And then disappearing. It's almost Valentine's Day. He's throwing it out there once again. Right now, y'all probably wondering why is it daytime? I'm sorry. What happened, man? Oh man. Stomach getting tight. I probably don't eat rest of these fries. I'm just gonna keep it real with you. I think I'm gonna do the Towards Satan challenge. What y'all think? If y'all think I'm lying, you right. I ain't doing that. How about the Toward Jesus? That can't be hot. The Toward God. Toward Satan. I think I'm gonna put something called Satan in my mouth. You crazy. You might well call that the Toward Chitlins. Cause I ain't eating that either. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. I'm here, look. I tell you, I'm still there. Ain't going nowhere. You see it. Oh. I really want to finish this time. I want to do something for y'all. I want to finish this shrimp Georgia boy. That ain't gonna stick. It's gonna stick. All this lettuce and tomato falling out. Excuse me. All this lettuce and tomato falling out. Don't worry about that. It's just residue. I miss my Coke Zero. Oh, excuse me. Don't want to get copywritten. I ain't even started yet. Mm-hmm. 3 more bites. And you can call this a win for me. I'm about to get to the last bite. Excuse me. That's the residue. Take a deep breath. I was gonna eat me some ice cream tonight too. No, ain't doing that. And somebody come up here and help me clean up. Can y'all see anything? Cause it's a mess back there. Nah, I ain't really just some dishes on my Fire inspector, they told me not to touch nothing. They coming to investigate. 1. I counted 1. My lips ain't use the bread. I'm sorry for talking with my mouth full, but how else am I talk to you? I feel energy, man. Y'all feel that? Y'all feel them 4 figures coming? I'm excited. Somebody say, what you gonna do for your 1,000 subscriber video? I said, don't jinx it. We ain't there yet. We got 200 and something more to go. People on YouTube say, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my 10,000 video, subscriber video. What I'm gonna do? My goal is to be at 10,000 by next week. I said, man, you doing it. You are truly blessed. Ain't got no goal, I'm just riding. I'm trying to get to 1,000. Let's do it. I don't even know how to tell a paper size anymore. It's ridiculous. I love y'all, man. Cause I was about to crawl in the corner and cry. I just thought about tapping out. Seasonings. I just thought about tapping out. I knew that sandwich was gonna be that big, man. Bigger than that burger. But I had to show y'all some love today. I almost died. I almost died like 6 times this week. Man, I hope this mic plugged up. I'm trying to work on a collab with something. A collab with somebody for Wingstop. But I told them, we ain't got no Wingstop here. I had to drive about an hour, go to Hinesville. She said, but do y'all have a Publix? I said, we in that country now. Everybody got a Publix. We got a Publix. We got an Uber and we got stoplights. She never text me back. I hope she didn't get mad. I ain't gonna tell you who it is, then she might not contact me no more. We just trying to grow together. If you're listening, I ain't mean nothing by it. I put the I put the smiley face emoji I just said it. Do y'all have a Publix? What do you think this is? Bamberg, South Carolina? Bamberg ain't got nothing. That's where my daddy family from. They ain't got nothing. Come on, stagecoaches. They ain't even got stagecoaches. They got them radio fly wagons that they pulling people. They ain't got nothing. They ain't got stop signs. They just got them person dressed up like a cowboy, working as a crossing guard. Ain't got nothing. Ain't got no hotels. Ain't got nothing. My cousins turned 18. One after the other. Where I'm going. I'm getting out of Bamberg. If any of y'all out there from Bamberg, we might be kinfolk, but ain't nothing up. I said it. I said it, and I meant it. Okay. This the last bite. And you know what they say about the last bite? Or you know what I say, what we say, what kinfolk say, what the Gilmore gang say. The last bite is the last bite ever. Oh, okay. Okay. Hey, your whole stomach. Fry. That time was enough. Oh, y'all was like, Lord, how you gonna eat the sandwich and a fry? I didn't. I put ketchup on my cooking board. Good Lord. I appreciate y'all, man. If you watch this video, I appreciate you. I can understand if you're a little mad. Because it's late. Stuff don't work out sometimes. That's why you gotta keep pushing. You gotta keep pushing. Still got that sandwich out though. Them jumbo shrimp. Somebody asked you what I ate today? You tell them that shrimp Georgia boy. Shrimp Georgia BOI. What do you have on it? Lettuce, tomato, bang bang sauce. Bang bang sauce, if you don't know what that is, it's mayonnaise, Thai sweet chili sauce. I had some sriracha in there, some honey sriracha. I think that's about it. It's a little bit of cayenne pepper. It was delicious. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I'm gonna do better tomorrow. I'm here like gangbusters tomorrow. Cause I'm gonna burn my house down. But like, comment, subscribe, share. Share, and subscribe some more. I love y'all, man. Let me get that hug from before I go. Appreciate it. See, Coke Zero would have been down here right now. It's time to go. The Gatorade is still tripping. I don't think I'm gonna drink the rest of that. I feel full. I'm not parched. I love y'all. And I'll see you next time. I'm gonna go sleep, get this day over with, and wake up tomorrow and start all new. Peace.